Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I achieve this crochet sprinkles, and I'm going to be using color 33 attachments. I'm going to cut it into three. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to pattern it like this. I really need it to be quite so I want it to be quite big, and that's why I'm doing it like this. So this is what I'm going to be using. I have them in different sizes. So I want to use the smaller one first. So because it's crochet, I'm going to be putting it in here. Make sure it's equal. Twist it a little, then turn. Then twist it again. Make sure you twist before you turn. Then twist it again, then turn. Twist it again, then turn. Twist it again, then turn. Can you see how the back looks like? So twist it again, then turn. So you keep twisting and turning till you are done rolling all the attachments on it. So I'm going to do another one. Cut the attachment the same size. Make sure the attachment is neat and smooth. So this is it. You put it in here. Make sure you enter this place. So that is the one you will use when you want to crochet it on your hair. So after putting it, you twist. Then you keep twisting and turn. Make sure you twist before you turn it. So twist it and turn. Twist and turn, twist and turn. So 2 done. So after doing it like this, before you put it in hot water, you have to trim it. So I'll do the other ones off camera and I'll show you when I'm putting it inside water. And after that, so I'm done with it, and this is the quantity I have, about 50 thereabouts. So can you see? So what I want to do is put my hot water first, which I have here, pour it on it. So this is what it looks like. So when you want to crochet it on your hair, you put your crochet hook through the round hole and then you crochet it on your hair. So take a look at it again, and when you want to get your curls, make sure you put the attachment through the handle in order to get the hole. Looking nice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.